You've heard a lot of information today, and ultimately you have to decide how to filter or sift that information about what's relevant and what's not relevant as qualifications for a district attorney. You've heard a lot of information about felonies and misdemeanors, but what you haven't heard is a lot of information about a section called the Family Law Division in the District Attorney's Office. Child Protective Services makes up the greatest part of that family law unit. In a civil case, it's called a death penalty case when you attempt to terminate a parental right. And as such, as a parent of 2 children, if you were going to take my children, you would do it out of my cold, dead hands. And I think that often parents feel that way. And that's why they call it the death penalty case. I have tried those cases. I've been a representative of the children. I've been a representative of the parent, and I've sought termination. And it's important that you have somebody who understands all facets and not just one facet of the district attorney's office. I've been in business. I have maintained a successful business. I have started it and I have raised it from the ground up, and I know how to do it for you. I know how to spend your tax dollars fiscally. And in 2015, with your support, I will be your next district attorney, and I will make you this one commitment. I will do a good job for you with a servant's heart.
Thank you, Paul.
When we talk about a servant's heart, I was assistant DA for 15 years. I passed up a lot of opportunities because I love doing what I'm doing. That's why I put myself through this time and time every 4 years. And those of you that are running, you understand what I'm talking about. I believe in serving Denton County, and I'm proud of my record. There's not enough time in a minute to tell you what I've done. If you go to my website, pauljohnsonda.com, it has a lot of accomplishments. Bottom line is, some of these parents that she talks about that want to protect their children and they don't want to get rid of them, I see time and time again where the mother sides with boyfriend over the child when they're sexually assaulted. I see time and time again parents basically agreeing to terminate their parental rights because they don't want to give up drugs. Bottom line is, I'm here to serve you. Bottom line is, today and tomorrow, e-filing system is what I've started for police agencies. It's a concept. There's a concept that they can file our cases electronically. That wasn't there when I was running in 2006. Things come up, I'm there, I've got the solutions, I've got the credentials. The bottom line is, I've got a record, and I'm very proud of it. And not cherry picking just 1 or 2 cases. We have over 25,000 cases that come through our office every year. I've raised over $36 million. Bottom line is, on the lawsuit, the racial discrimination, we haven't paid a penny. And more than likely, and it's being recorded, I believe it's going to be reversed. And I believe that we're not going to spend a penny on attorney's fees when it's all said and done. I'm here, like I said, I'm an open book. I've got a record. She has a virtual office in Frisco, which she pays monthly rent on. There's no staff. There's no things. It's called marketing. She's very good. She's very articulate, but she has nothing. And that's why she doesn't list anything that she really does, because she has nothing. I've been around for 30
We need
years.
to wrap up.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you. Hank?
Folks, I don't know if I'm going to win this election or not, but I do know this. When the March 4th comes after 7 o'clock, I'm going to be able to look at myself in the mirror and know that I did the best I could to be a fair, to be an honest candidate for you. You won't get any unmarked envelopes from my campaign. I've got the experience, I've got the leadership, and I have the integrity, but most importantly, I have the character. But the best part of all is I've got the support of my family. My wife Debbie is here, my daughter Nicole is here, and regardless of whether win or lose, the sun will come up, and I will be able to lay my head on the pillow and know that I ran an honorable campaign.
Thank you all very much.